Check out the new StreamLiner Upholstery Tool. With the StreamLiner, you can use any wet-dry vacuum to do professional grade extraction. The StreamLiner comes with a 10-foot vacuum hose with a built-in solution line. The unique design of the StreamLiner vacuum head completely encapsulates the water flow in both directions, forward and backwards, so you get no overspray or dripping, and it's super lightweight to clean with. Traditional tools have an exterior solution line with a bulky, heavy brass quick connect on the end, along with an exterior spray jet, which can lead to overspray and overwetting, causing a mess when you're trying to use it. And longer dry times. With the StreamLiner, super lightweight in your hand, you get zero overspray or drippage. You can clean in any direction, sideways, up, down. You can clean headliners. No overspray, no drippage. And the fabric is usually dry within about 20 minutes. This is a van seat out of an old van that we just brought in to do this demonstration. And as you can see, it thoroughly flushes the soil out of the fabric. The unique design of the head also allows you to get into tight crevices and spots. Great for auto detailing. You simply pre-spray your cleaning solution onto the fabric to be cleaned, and then just running fresh water through the StreamLiner, so you're flushing all the soil out of the fabric as well as all the detergent. Look at that flow. You can clean carpets, you can clean upholstery, and auto detailing with the StreamLiner. And it works with just about any Shop Vac, wet-dry vacuum cleaner. The StreamLiner comes with a 25-foot hose with the attachments on the end to hook up to any water source.